Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss this S&P 500 chart of 1 minute time frame, and I will tell you that how to trade on 1 minute time frame and how to do scalping. So without wasting time, let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do analysis of this S&P 500 on 1 minute time frame. This was a Friday's session. So as you can see, right, first at 9:30 market got volatile. Okay, that's why I don't allow and I don't say anybody to trade at 9:30 because market gets too much volatile. So you would have waited for some time and then market got stable. Okay, and then you can see the price was seeking for liquidity. So there were relative equal lows right over here, right? This relative equal lows. So what's below the relative equal lows is sell side liquidity. So price takes the sell side liquidity and then shorts to the upside and takes the previous day's high. So what's at the previous day's high? It's buy side liquidity, right? So price takes the buy side liquidity, and after that it gives the market structure shift. This was an intermediate term low, right? Because this filled this fair value gap and then took this intermediate term high. So now if you guys can see, you guys would have taken small trade of a scalping from here like this. If you would have opened your Fibonacci optimal trade entry, okay, because it's hard to find out fair value gap over here. And after that, as you guys can see, it fell down to the discount zone, it came back up, and then one more time it went down to this fair value gap. This fair value gap didn't work. Okay, so this will happen most of the times. Like if you are trading on 1 minute time frame, there will be lots of fair value gaps which will not work. So how you will spot that? So whenever you will see that you got a nice movement like this from a fair value gap, and if price comes back like making lower lows like this, you should exit that trade. It means that price is sneaking into your stop loss or it wants to go down. So after that, as you guys can see, it took this short-term low, okay, and it left this fair value gap. So price went back up, filled the whole fair value gap, and then it goes down, and then it comes back and take this intermediate term low. And as you guys know, I told you that the candle which takes the liquidity is our order block, right? So this candle is our order block. So I should mark this candle's high. So this candle is our order block. So what happens? Like price taps first, it came back down, and then it gives the market structure shift, and then it gives the market structure shift to the upside, right? As you can see, and it left one fair value gap over here. So if you would have taken an entry right over here, and your target would have been that daily's high, today's high, right? So what has this today's high is what above that? What's above that? It has like buy side liquidity. So and after that, as you can see, the price keeps on pumping to the upside, and you have to look for small fair value gaps. Like that's why you have to be more attentive during if you're trading indices, okay? Like see this one, this is a fair value gap, it came back down, filled the fair value gap, and then shorts back to the upside. And if you guys can see, price hold it over here on the basis of this fair value gap, see, like this, and it keeps on pumping to the upside. And after that, okay, it takes the buy side, and then it came back one more time to the downside. So you would have taken a small scalping sell from here in afternoon session, okay, because it's after 1:30, right? So the lunch is over, and after 1:30 it's afternoon session. As you guys can see that it fills the fair value gap, and then it shorts down, okay, and then it came back one more time up. There was only one fair value gap right over here. Should zoom in a little bit. Only one fair value gap over here. So that's why you have to be more attentive while you are trading like indices after 9:30. Then only you will be able to spot like this type of fair value gap. Came back up, it gave one more sell opportunity, and after that it gave market structure shift to the upside, and it left very clear fair value gap right over here. Price came back down till this fair value gap, and it filled the fair value gap, and then it shorts one more time to the upside, and then price came back one more time to this fair value gap, and this was the end of the day, right? And then it took one more time this morning session's high. So this is how price works. Price seeks for liquidity only, okay? And most of the times on 1 minute time frame, your fair value gap will not work, or if it's sneaking like this once, twice, so it means that your fair value gap will be will be not respected in afterwards. So you should close your trades. And as you can see, the price always seeks for liquidity. First it seeks for sell side, then it went for the buy side, and then it came back one more time to this order block. Why this is order block? Because this candle was responsible to take the stop losses below this relative equal lows. Then price gave one market structure shift right over here. It gave a clear fair value gap entry, and then it kept on moving forward, and then it went up and took the daily high, and then it went down and down. From here, from the fair value gaps, it came back down to this fair value gap. I guess I should mark it. Yes, see, price came till this fair value gap, and then it gave a market structure shift, and then it left one more clear fair value gap. It came back down till over here, and then it moves forward and keeps on going. So this is how price seeks from liquidity to liquidity and respects fair value gap to fair value gap. The thing is that you have to spot the fair value gap, and like spotting like this, it will only come with the experience. If you are more experienced, if you have given more time to this smart money concepts, you will be able to spot out like this type of fair value gaps. So yeah, this was the analysis. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this, and check the links below to take your trading to the next level. So until next time, wish you good luck and good trading.